Oh, well, we should have really gone up there, but there's an uphill and I couldn't be arsed anymore. So I'm gonna finally descend this blue. I think it's just a walk, it's about to be better. But it drops in to some trails further down the bottom. This is just the warm up, really. Oh, it's gnarly. Quite loose. I'm not used to it. Oh my god! Ah! Really tight. Oh. Whoa. God, getting tired towards the end. Oh my god, what a view. Oh, just a nice little traverse into the next section. I wonder what actually goes up here. Well, that was just a bit silly, wasn't it? Right, well, we're going to do Classique de Ends. Apparently I read. We'll see how that goes. Should be fine. Just chill it. And then might push back up. I don't know how I feel, because I've already been quite high today. And I'm knackered. So we're just going to cruise down here. Right, it goes into here. Oh, this is pretty cool. High line into the flat corners. Oh, this is sick. The corners are really flat. Oh. Yes. I'm liking this. Oh, 800mm bars. Oh. Okay, it's take two. We're going to try and get this gap. We need a pedal for it though. Oh my god, that was so sketcy. I had more than enough speed though. Not quite used to the loose conditions yet, like. Loose conditions, flat corners. What combo? Oh, visibility is hard to see. Get out! Where's this left turn? Is it here? Ah, this part looks fun. This is Chistoile, a black. So I'll just be chilling. We've already walked up it, but it's such a long trail, you don't really know what's coming anyway. Oh, see. It's quite mellow on some sections anyway. There was a cheeky Strava line on the top, but I refused to take it. It literally cuts out so much of the tech. Whoa. Oh, my legs are so done. Don't be honest, to be fair, I'm just pretty tired. Long day out. Gonna stop here before it gets good. Okay, that was a nice couple-minute break. Can't do that on enduro stuff though. Oh. Wow. Trying to remember where the fuck it goes. Oh, and chill. Ooh. Oh, this section looks cool. Ooh, that was my pedal. Oh my god, that was scary. That was quite scary, mate. Oh, I've fallen off already. Ah, feet, there we go. Whoa. Outside is the line. There we go. Whoa. Hell, you coming so quick into that. Oh my god. My hands are also done. Okay, see if we can carry on. I've got such bad arm pump. Oh, unbelievable track. Big up the Pyrenees. Endswoods, my guy. Oh, right, we'll carry on. Pretty sure, well, apparently this is the rest of the black, but I think it's just gonna be pretty flowy. That could have been doubled. Oh, yes, fucking love them. And so it carries on down the black. On the flat corner spread. Inside. Oh, she gets gnarly. Ah! Well, that wasn't the line. Yeah, that's proper good. Fucking enduro. Enduro, baby. Rain. That meant to be, surely they're not doubles. That would be a gnarly double. Oh, they'll hop onto the high line. I guess we're going this way. Yeah. Let's see. Oh. The Pyrenees is the place to be, bro. See. That could have gone a lot worse.